Well, here it is in all its sharp Solaris reflector technology, blinding brilliance, the Federal Signal Allegiant dual-color LED light bar. It's available from us in 4 different lengths depending upon the application you're going to be adding this onto. Here we have the 45-inch. The next is the 53, well suited for full-size SUVs and pickup trucks. There's the 61-inch length, and lastly, the biggest of the bunch, the 70-inch. The Allegiant bar is a very low-profile polycarbonate shell. It has the option to do colored tops, so if you're looking to add some blue, some amber, some gray, some red, or some black, that is something that you can do when ordering this. The bar itself is interweaved with 2 full sets of diodes. So while using their convergent network system and the programming that's done through their smart control head here, can give you a look at its wonderful brightness now. 28 flash patterns are available, and that is going to let you pick between solid colors and dual colors. And it's available in all 5 standard colors: amber, blue, red, white, and green. The bar here, very nicely flashing away. We can add in the always attention-grabbing pop of white. So that is done here and ties in mixing the dual module output, the corners, and what would be considered the alley lights. The bar itself has a wonderful benefit when you're doing it in white, and that is enhanced illumination for your service vehicle. With a triple press, we can light up the light bar on the driver's side, light it up toward me on the passenger, and the triple press lighting up the whole sides and front circumference of the vehicle. If you wish to add the rear illumination for a full 360-degree white blast, well, just go ahead and make sure your secondary color is white. Now, the back of the Allegiant light bar, it is dual colors, yes, and this does have many, many wonderful functions, but if you're wishing to integrate the SignalMaster, so a traffic function for left, right, and center out, you do want to make sure that that's specified. Traffic advisor, triple press on their control head here, so we can do direction toward the driver's side, direction toward the passenger, and triple press is the center outward. So a nice way to save buttons when it comes to your control head with the triple press. You can isolate the rear of the light bar and that only. So here, I'll show you a look at a set of amber flashers. You can broaden up the output, and this is just going to be something that you'll do through the program settings. So if you wanted this to entertain blue and amber or red and amber or so on, you can go ahead, set that up. Nice vibrant footprint there. And we'll go ahead and mix in now the attention-grabbing rhythm of the red flashing. So this is position 1 on the slide switch. So a bit of red. Position 2, adding in more, and you'll notice on the rear of the light bar, that's remaining amber. Kick it up here into position number 3, amber remaining on in the back, red and white blasting away here, and we can even make a change, deactivate the white flash, reactivate the white flash. So that's something you could simulate with a park kill trigger or just an extra button. Cruise lights, aren't those fun to play with for adding your vehicle's functionality as far as a park mode or just something to subdue the flashing? You can do a setting here that's tying in the corners, a bit of front and a bit of rear. One more press and the whole light bar lighting up in that nice soft glow of red. So imagine this in amber or green or blue. It's going to look absolutely amazing whatever application you're adding this into. Law enforcement services. It's nice to be able to disengage parts of your light bars, so something that's considered a front cut or a rear cut. So right now, taking advantage of the buttons that have already been preset on here, light this up. Very nice. So pretend this is position 3. You have your sirens going away as well. Disengage the whole front of the light bars, including the corners. Now, why would you do such a thing, you might ask? Well, imagine this being behind, so the last of the patrol cars. There's a car in the middle and a car leading. This allows the mid car and the leading car not to have any blinding light from the overhead light bar coming into their rearview mirrors. You can do the same thing as well with a side cut input. So imagine that being something tied into your driver's door trigger. Open the door, automatically goes off. You could do it onto the passenger side as well if you wanted to. And back to normal functionality, the light bar will go. So this light bar, again, Federal Signal's Allegiant, it's very, very well put together for you, the end user. So again, the 5 standard safety colors, the 4 variable lengths, different mounting options when it comes to the feet and the hook kits, and even the coloration you can add into the top, so beyond what we have here in the clear polycarbonate. The bedazzling pop of the Federal Signal Allegiant light bar. With its dual color modules, it has the potency that you're looking for and the enhanced functionality throughout dual color flashing, illumination modes for scene lighting, and the integrated SignalMaster option should you choose it for helpful directing of left, right, center, out. Well, there you have it. Federal Signal and the Allegiant LED low profile dual light bar.